Hello students, greetings from DreamPath Foundation. DreamPath Foundation is a public charitable trust helping students in the area of careers and life skills. As part of our career exploration program, we will be presenting you with multiple video sessions. These sessions will help you to enhance your knowledge about various careers and education options. This can help you in decision making of your career choice and education stream to pursue in future. You as a student of high school, pre-university or college could be thinking of next steps about career to choose an education option. You may be having many questions. What are my dream jobs? What do I want to become? What are various professions I can choose in a particular field? What kinds of jobs suit me well? What do I have to study or learn to pursue those jobs? Are they feasible? What are new careers and job opportunities now? How do I pursue them? You may also be confused about choices in front of you. Yes, hopefully, our sessions will help you to enhance your knowledge, bring more clarity, and aid you in your career exploration journey. To begin with, let us try to understand what do we mean by career? Why do we need a career? How does one go about making a career choice? These are our objectives for this session. First, let us try to understand what is career. Career is chosen profession, job, or an occupation in a particular field or a sector or an industry. For example, to be a sports coach for a cricket club, or work as a lab technician in healthcare industry, or be a manager in finance sector. It involves various activities to perform, positions to hold, roles one can play, and all the experiences encountered at work. It is a lifelong work or a long-term work which you have chosen and going to pursue. It is work where you have put in good amount of efforts to train or educate yourself. Many times it involves continuous learning and growth as well. Well, all of us have to opt for one career or the other. But why? There are many reasons. Primarily, it is for our livelihood, to meet our basic needs, then for a purpose for life. Also to enjoy what we do every day, to feel good and be happy in life, and giving back best to our society, and also to get a sense of being important in the society. All factors or most factors influence to take up a career. Of late, we have seen people shifting careers within their active life, as sometimes one's purpose of life may change or you may attain new capabilities to shift your career. We have understood that career is important, but how does one go about selecting one or shortlisting careers while you are still a student? Pursuing a career requires investment of your efforts and training. This means you have to choose education option which can lead you towards that career. For example, if you want to become a lawyer, you have to do degree in law. To become police, you have to prepare yourself for physical fitness tests and written exams. Once you choose your education stream, it is not easy to switch option. Also, choice of careers become more or less fixed for a particular stream. This means career planning starts right when you are a student. Especially, one has to do decisions with care when completing your 10th standard, 12th standard, or even at higher studies. So, how do you go about career selection? There are important factors to consider. 1. Aptitude. It is to identify what you are good at, where your natural abilities lie. Example, some students could be good in maths, some at drawing, some in sports, some at languages, or even communication. So pick a career where your abilities or talents are made use of. You will find your work always easy and enjoyable to do then. 2. Passion. It is what you like the most, where your interests are, where your heart lies. For example, Someone passionate about cooking, cooking will never tire them. If you like sports, working in sports sector, whether being a player or a coach, you will never get tired or bored of it. 3. Satisfaction. Career should meet your needs or what you value the most. Example, money or creativity. Feasibility. Whether a career or education option chosen is feasible for you. For example, can you afford the fee for a course, or is a transferable job okay for you? So, consider all four factors and shortlist your careers. Sometimes all factors may not coincide or may not overlap. You want to become a singer, but you do not have aptitude for singing. You want to become a doctor, but you cannot afford to spend 5 to 6 years of study. But there are always multiple options to pursue. So, it is important to analyze, think, gather more inputs and guidance by talking to experts, elders in the family, mentors, and teachers. Let's look at feasibility little more. Feasibility has two aspects: feasibility to study and feasibility to work. Feasibility to study factors include like cost of education, including course fee and other expenses, duration of course, location of study, facilities like hostel, commuting, etc. Feasibility of work includes work location, family circumstances, financial needs, health conditions, readiness for hard work, as well as flexibility of movement away from home. Some factors may increase your career options, some may decrease your options. Coming to values, what satisfies you the most? What is that you would like to gain more from your career? Check if you value earning more money higher, or creativity at work, or challenging work environment. You may value helping or being with people more, or want to be self employed sooner or later. Think what you value the most, prioritize. There is no right or wrong factor here. Please keep in mind you have to think long term, as your career decision has long term impact on your life. We are going to give you one simple activity that can help you narrow down your career choices and hence next step of choosing more appropriate education stream. Write down on a sheet of paper or in a book your top 5 dream careers. Let them be realistic, that you really think you can achieve. Your abilities, talents or skills, your interests or passion, your wants and needs, your feasibility factors or limitations that we just discussed in the previous slides. Remember, please do this activity immediately after this session. Spending this time for yourself is a very important step for you. Here is an example. This can help you to do your activity. For any queries you have on careers or life skills, you can reach out to us via Siddhi Helpline 823 952 3455. You can talk to us anytime between 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. on weekdays, or record your query anytime. You can visit dreampathfoundation.com for more information and also send us a query by clicking on Ask an Expert. To know more about DreamPath's activities, you can go to facebook.com/dreampathfoundation. Thank you.